Hey guys, welcome to another video. This video is going to be about how to get started with TLC. I wanted to do an updated video. I did one before, but nothing has really much changed, but I just wanted to update it just to, tell you guys how to get started, what's going on, just, some new information. So let's get it in. Stay tuned. So getting started with total life changes, guys, is pretty simple. Once you get started in business, first of all, welcome. If you just started TLC and you're watching this video, welcome to TLC. If you join me in business, also welcome to the TLC family. Congratulations. Super excited for you and your journey, guys. So first things first, you started for a reason. Either it's because you want to get healthy, lose weight, maintain health, and most importantly, make some money and help other people do the same. So whatever your reason is, you got started. So congratulations, guys. So of course, you get started. You get your starter kit, which comes with some little paraphernalia. You get some samples of NRG. You get some samples of the original tea, which pretty much comes like this. I can't find my other one, but you get some samples of that. You get some little business tools, some wristbands, some buttons, some pamphlets, things like that, just to help you jumpstart your your business. But most importantly, you are going to get this purple book, guys. So everybody who joins me in business, I like to do like a one-on-one. I do have like a group training on the purple book, but I like to do a one-on-one just to talk with you, speak with you, to get to know you, just to see where your head is, and really go over this, because this really helps you jumpstart your business. So it's just called the purple book. What it does is it just it'll have you check off some things, but most importantly, I like this right here is my favorite part, because I hope you can see that, because it asks you your why. A lot of people join things and they forget their why because they're too worried about it being hard or frustrating. But just remember why you got started. I got started with TLC because I wanted to get healthy. I wanted to lose weight, and I wanted to make some money and help other people do the same thing. And also, just create a better living for me and my family, and, tons of other reasons. But you have a why as to why you started. So I want you just to keep that why in mind moving forward, you know what I mean? So what this does is just, you just put 10 reasons why you started. Why did you join me in business? Why did you get started with TLC? And it helps you, it tells you, your goals and things to download. So this is really important, guys. Jumpstart your business. So make sure you really go over this with your sponsor, your partner in business, whether it's someone sent you to this video or you join business with me. We are definitely going to go over this purple book. So this is really, really awesome and amazing. So those are the things that you get in your starter kit. I'll show you how the starter kit looks if you have never seen the starter kit. But yeah, guys, so next the next thing that comes with that starter kit is your free website. So once you get started in business, you get a free up and running website, guys. So that means you can start making money right now, tonight. Once you get started, you can tell your friends and family about the tea, about the products, and they can buy something from your website. Then you will automatically receive a commission from that purchase. So let's say you get you a bottle of NutriBurst. Someone wants to buy a bottle of NutriBurst, you will get $20 for them buying this bottle of NutriBurst. But also, when you get started, you get your starter kit, but you also have to purchase product or inventory, for your own personal use. So you get your starter kit, which is $50, and then you have to purchase a product. So whether you want to get the CBD tea and the NutriBurst just for your own personal use to try it, I recommend that. Or you want to get you your own personal use and also get you some tea that you can sell or sample out to people at your job or wherever you travel when you leave your home. I recommend always keeping samples on you, because there's some good stuff. So definitely you want to keep inventory when getting started. But most of all, when you get started, I want you guys to really just think about the future. Don't think of it as, okay, it's another job, or I can't do this, or just calm down. Calm down, take a breather, and just understand that you're doing this for you. Yes, it can be scary for a lot of people who are getting started because this is something that you're not used to. You know, people are used to, you know, working and going to a 9 to 5, which is fine, but there comes a point in life where you have to do things for you, and being afraid to do something just means that it's time to do it and that you're ready to do it. So remember, you guys, you don't have to be, you know, ready to get started. Just get started. You know what I mean? So yeah, so I wrote some things down here. So I talked about the starter kit, the purple book, inventory, and just remembering your why, and just staying calm, take it one day at a time, guys. I don't want you guys to come into this business thinking you're gonna get rich overnight. It doesn't work that way. The same way you have your 9 to 5 job, you have to put the work in. And the thing about it is, it's not that much work to put in, you know? Everybody who gets started with me, I always tell them to take the product for yourself. Take it straight for 30 days. Get your results, see how it makes you feel, so you can have an honest, you know, feedback on what the product did for you. And when you tell other people about it, they know that you're real and sincere because they know you took the product. So spend the first 30 days taking the product consistently for yourself, guys. And it's okay. I understand life happens. You know, you may fall off. I can definitely contest to that. You know, life been happening. I fell off my products. I haven't been taking them for some time, whatever, but I got right back on it. You know what I mean? Because I knew this vehicle right here is going to help me change my life. So I got back on it, and then, you know what I mean? So don't be afraid. You know, if you fell off, you slip off, it's okay. Every day you wake up is a new day to start over. So just keep that in mind, guys. So talk about that. Yes, and also pretty much personal development. You know, when you start a business, is more than just making money, guys. Is about it becomes more than you. So and you know, having personal development is really important. When I say personal development, I mean reading books, you know, meditating, having a coach and a mentor and things like that. But if you are not ready to invest in mentors and coaches, and just take it one step at a time. You know, get you a book to read. I recommend reading Think and Grow Rich. I read it twice. It's a good book. I'm going to read it again. You're a Badass at Making Money. I absolutely love that book too. I would recommend you know, read that. If you can't buy the book for some reason, I understand. You know, some people times, you know, I understand. So that's why we got YouTube. So you can go on YouTube, you can listen to audios, or you can use Audible. But the Compound Effect, I'm starting to read that. The Power of Now. There's a lot of great books on YouTube, audios that you can listen to. You know what I mean? So take advantage of that, guys. Once you know, start to read and hear other people's stories and realize how, you know, life is really supposed to be, you'll start to open up and open your mind and realize, you know what? I can do this. You know, I've been working and doing all this stuff for the next person. I need to take the time out and better myself and work for myself. So, you know, personal development is really, really important. Listen to Les Brown and Tony Robbins and all these great motivational speakers on YouTube. YouTube will be your best friend. So, so yeah, guys, anything else? So yeah, so that's pretty much you getting started, guys. You got your starter kit, you got your free website, you got your products. And, you know, just take them, and as you go, you know, you speak to people. Don't be afraid to speak to people about what it is that you do, especially if you take the product, you know what it does. This is a detox tea, guys. This is a CBD tea, you know, right here. And this is the regular tea right here. So these teas are detox teas, guys, not weight loss teas, but detox tea. But by default, people lose 5 pounds in 5 days or more. People lose weight, you know what I mean? Because these are really, really great products. So this is a great way to maintain your health, get healthy, keep up your health, and so many great things, especially CBD, y'all. You know, we are the only company in the world that has a CBD detox tea. We also have CBD cream and CBD drops, y'all. And I'm pretty sure there's more CBD products to come, but you chose the right time to get started with Total Life Changes, guys. There's a lot of momentum going on, you know, with CBD and with our company. So you picked the right company to get started with. I just want you just to, you know, take it one day at a time. Don't overthink it. Get to events if you can. You know, events are really, really helpful as well. Just to give you you know, a reminder, a refresher that this is real. This is your business. This is the community that you're a part of. I was to the New York event, and it was phenomenal. I got to meet so many top earners. I got to meet the owner, CEO, Jack Fallon. It was just awesome and amazing, guys, and it gets you fired up to keep pushing and to help some more people. You know what I mean? So get to events if you can. What else I want to say? And just take it one day at a time, guys. You know what I mean? And just, you'll be surprised. You know, time flies. We're in 2020 now. So if you just stick to something every day and do it, you will see your results. You will definitely see your results, guys. There's a lot of money to be made with CBD. And it's just, the testimonials just keep rolling in. You know what I mean? If you saw my last video, I showed you guys some testimonials from people who took the products. You know what I mean? And it's just awesome and amazing, guys. I'm super happy to be a part of Total Life Changes, guys, and I'm super happy that you chose to be a part of TLC as well, guys. So another thing, if you guys don't know how to take the products, this is a bottle of water, but it's not full to the top because I have a hard system. So I like to keep my water low. If you do use the whole bottle, I would recommend at least 2 sachets in here. Me, I might put 3, but at least 2 sachets. But for me, because I want the effect stronger, I use less water, and I just use 1 pack of tea, and I'll drink it. Put it in a bottle of water, shake it up, and drink it, and you will sleep good. If you drink before bed, you will sleep like a baby. It will help you feel, you know, relaxed and calm, and the next morning you will get up and have a nice flush, y'all. Yeah, because I had me some flushes today. Maybe too much info, but it's serious, guys. A lot of, you know, stuff in our system that needs to come out, and this tea is so gentle that it helps you get rid of that bad stuff without having to feel like you gotta run to the bathroom or, you know, stomach hurt. It's just, you know, but this is some good stuff, guys. So, and the NutriBurst, y'all. If y'all don't know, the NutriBurst is equivalent to eating 10 salads, y'all. If you don't get your liquid vitamins in, you need to make sure you get your NutriBurst. So, but all the products are awesome and amazing, but the NutriBurst is a must. The NutriBurst goes well with every and any diet, any product, especially as well as the tea. You know, they go well with any diet, any, you know, thing that you're on, so you don't have to worry about anything. You know, bring it to your doctor. We recommend that. We encourage that, so your doctors can know, like, you're taking some good stuff for your body. Hell, they may want to buy it from you. You know what I mean? So you just never know. Just a closed mouth doesn't get fed, guys. So always talk about what it is that you do, because you are now in business for yourself. And of course, as you know, you get more comfortable with, you know, doing your own business, it will start to expand and you'll start to be creative and do different things, guys. The thing I love about TLC is you can be so creative. You can do whatever you want. It's just, you know, it's just free. You know, it's just your business. So, you know, you can do whatever you want, as long as you're moving product, you making money and helping people change their lives. So, hope I didn't miss anything, guys. But, so yeah, guys, once you get started with me in business, send me a DM. The information will be down below. I will tag you in my Facebook groups, my chats, and all the groups that have the training that is needed, training that will help you jumpstart your business, to help you, you know, guide you along your journey. You know what I mean? So, stay tuned. I look forward to hearing from you guys. And once again, if you got started with TLC, welcome. If you're thinking about getting started with TLC, welcome anyway. I just say, just do it. This is the easiest company that can help you really succeed at a certain amount of time. You know what I mean? I'm not saying you're gonna be rich overnight, but if you stay consistent and take your products, the products really sell themselves, guys. So your life will be different by the end of 2020. So I believe it. I believe in you. So believe in you and give yourself that chance to do something different. You know what I mean? And also get healthy. I don't care what you do, how much money you make. If you are not healthy, you are nothing. You know what I mean? So don't wait until it's too late to start wanting to take your tea and NutriBurst. You know, do all that stuff now. This stuff is great for preventing anything. We have tons of great, you know, products. You know what I mean? But it starts within. So start detoxing today. Get started with TLC. And it's time for CBD, guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video.